Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 6.3 question number 10. Question number 10 here you see is find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. How you know that? If you find the LCM of these three numbers, that number will be divided by 8 divided by 5 and divisible by 20 also. Right? Let us find. That means first of all we have to find the LCM of these three numbers. Let us find the LCM of the numbers, that is 8, 15 and 20. First of all divided by 5. 5. It is 8. 5 3 is 15. 5 4 is 20. 5 4 is 20. Again divided by 2. 2 4 is 8. It is 3. 2 2 is 4. Again divided by 2. That is 2 2 is 4. It is 3. 2 1 is 2. Right? Therefore LCM of 8, 15 and 20 and 20 and 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Right? If we multiply the numbers, we are getting 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 3 to the 24, 24 multiplied with 5. That is 5 4 is 22, it is 0, 5 to the 10 plus 2 is 12, 120, 120. Right? And here see 120 is divisible by 8, 15 and 20. But this is not a square number. 120 is not a perfect square. 120 is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. Perfect. Not a perfect square. 120 is not a perfect square. To make it a perfect square, we have to pair these numbers 2, 3 and 5. That means you have to multiply this by 2, by 3 and by 5. That means 120 should be multiplied. 120 should be multiplied with 2 into 3 into 5. Or you can write it here as, that is, this one is 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into, you have to pair this number, that is 2 into 2. 2 into 2. And again, you have to pair these three numbers. This number, that is 3 into 3. And into 5 into 5. 5 into 5. Because here you see 2, 3 and 5 prime factors, but they are not in pairs. To make it pair, that is 2 into 2, 3 into 3 and 5 into 5. If we multiply this, then we are getting 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16, 16 into 9, 3 to the 9, 6 9 is 54, 9 is 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 is 14, 144. If you multiply 144 with 5 for the 25, then we are getting 5 for the 25. And we are getting 5 for the 20, 2 is 0. 5 for the 20 plus 2, 22. It is 2. Here it is 2. 5 plus 2, 7. If we multiply with 2, it is 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. 2 1 is 2. Then we are getting 0. 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 1. It is 0. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Carry 1. It is 6. 2 plus 1, 3. That is 3600. And we are getting 3600. 3600. Right? And this is a square number. This is square of, here is square of 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 5 to the 60. This is a square of 60 because 6 is 36 and 2 zeros. Right? Therefore, we are getting that this is now 36 square, 3600 is a perfect square. 3600 is a perfect square of 60 is a perfect square, is a perfect square, and it will also be divided by divisible by 8, 15 and 20, right? Therefore, the smallest, therefore the smallest, the smallest, therefore the smallest square number, square number is 3600, 3600, that is divisible by, that is divisible by, that is divisible by each of the numbers, each of the numbers of the numbers, each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. This is the answer. Again we are repeating. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. That means we have to find the LCM of 8, 15 and 20, and LCM comes to 120. But 120 is not a perfect square. To make it a perfect square, we have to make these 2, 3 and 5 the pair. That means we are multiplying here, that is 120 into again 2 into 3 into 5. That means we can write 2 into 2 into, you have to make this 2 as pair, 22, make this 3 as pair, 3 into 3, make this 5 as pair, 5 into 5, and you're getting 3600. And 3600 is a perfect square of 60, or 60 square. Therefore, 3600 is a perfect square. Therefore, the smallest square number is 3600, that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.